Hi and welcome to another Wera tool review video. This is the tool check part of the 2024 Advent calendar, and it's much smaller than the regular tool check plus. And at first it looked like this would just be a special item only for the Advent calendar, but wow, we were wrong. First of all, we couldn't get this part here as retail, so the only way you could actually get this ratchetty head was to get the Advent calendar. But then again, you managed to get some salt and pepper shakers, trying to get multiples of these. And some people went online and made a video, and some wanted to change these, so they found out they could push these closer together, and then if they sourced some clips like this, they could add more sockets to this one. So some added another 7, and I'm not sure if they could actually fit 2 in here. Maybe you could, but people are really trying their best to do all kinds of things to make this one a better product. So Wera, as cool as they are, they were like, we know who can make this a better product. We can. So hold my beer. And then they made this version with the 7, 8, 10 and 13 into a retail product. They even sell this one as a separate item now, and they are making add-ons. You can scan this QR code, I recall, to see complete videos about how this is done. But now this one can be extended. So if we take a few of the bits out in the middle, close this, and then we can pull the top off. It's a bit hard with. There we go. And now at the end here we can see there's this opening. So if we look in this new box, we can get a connector part. You can also get a hinge part, so that when you connect two together you can actually fold this around. But for now we just put this one in, and then we can put the top back on like this. And then one of the items we can get is this cool little precision driver kit, and it actually has a lock on the back, so it can be folded out here to reveal 8 more bits. And as usually, you can split these out so easier grab what you need. So for now we just pull this one out in the middle, because then we can pull the top off, and then we can join these together, close it back up, and now we have an advanced tool about the same size as the original tool check, but now with precision drivers. So you can actually, if you get the hex driver keys set that also comes as an end part like your screwdriver holder, then you can get a hinge in the middle, and then you can fold it so it's like still the original width, but double the depth, and then you have a cool little toolkit all in one for precision work, the actual normal work, hex drivers for your IKEA furnitures, and everything in one grab and go little thing. So definitely go check out the Wera Modular system for tool check. This is going to be wild. I think they'll be making more modules for this in the future, so keep an eye out for that. I'll do so as well, and if I find something new and interesting, I'll buy it and make a video. So subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when new things show up, and to help the algorithm, please like the video and leave a comment below, and see you in the next one.